Serving, jersey number 2. Bongalon is set para kay Damasco, and cross-court attack works for player number 7.
Serving player number 8, Manzano. Point for Team Mabini. Mabini has a 6-point advantage here in first set. Jimenez.
Bongalon backset para kay Manzano, and she gets the point. Good serve. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Damasco, andun si Valenzuela.
May ball para sa Team Mabini. Damasco. Camero overshoots that one.
Another point for Team Mabini. Manzano.
That is outside. Another point for Team Mabini. Free ball ibibigay para sa Team Mabini. Bongalon sets it to Damasco, but it will go straight to the net. Service error for Team Anda.
Serving, Damasco. Jimenez itataas para kay Caitlin, and that is outside. Too strong on that serve. Nine-point lead. Bongalon is set para kay Viterbo.
Bongalon serving. Jimenez chases that one. 1-2 play. Manzano to Viterbo. Blocked. Bongalon sets it to Mendoza. Gets the point for Team Mabini. This is an 11-point lead for Team Mabini.
Error for the setter, Bongalon. Bongalon is set para kay Mendoza. Andun si Jimenez. Freda will set it to Caitlin, but that is too strong. Attack error.
Manzano with the free ball. Jimenez bump sets to the cuatro and finds zone 1. Point for Team Anda.
Viterbo. Sharp serve. Bongalon underhands it to Damasco, but that is too strong. Serving. Captain Freda. Bongalon backs it para kay Mendoza. Andun si Caitlin. Freda chases that one. Good ball. Bongalon to Damasco and binabawi siya kaagad ni Bongalon. Timeout for Team Anda. This is an 11-point lead.
You are still watching us live here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. This game is between Team Mabini and Team Anda.
This is the last match for women's division. Kaasi, Bongalon, Viterbo from the pipe.
Navarro. Jimenez bump sets to Kaasi. That is inside.
And a service ace for Kaasi. Service error.
Serving Manzano. Free ball ihahatid dito para sa Team Mabini. Bongalon to Manzano in the middle. That will work for Team Mabini. And that point leads them to set. Manzano. Bongalon to Damasco. Andun si Freda. Freda gives free ball. Bongalon to the back row, Navarro. Camero gives a free ball. Manzano back sets to Damasco, and that ends our first set. 25-12. are still watching the Governor Ramon B. Guico, the third Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference here at the Alaminos City. Now check that here at the Narciso Ramos and Sports Civic Center. We are now at the fifth and final match of the women's division. This is between Team Mabini and Team Anda. Bongalon. Jimenez bump sets to the open. Free ball para sa Team Anda. Cali. Viterbo. Ando ng libero pero hindi na maitataas ang bola. Bomb sets to Mendoza. Jimenez to Kaasi. We are tied at 2 apiece.
Caitlin Bongalon chases that one. Chance po for Team Anda. Jimenez ibibigay para kay Akaasi. Attack error. Recabar. Freda sa gitna. Free ball by Mendoza. Jimenez itataas para kay Kaasi. Andun si Viterbo Bongalon. Balik kay Viterbo but that is an attack error. Manzano. Jimenez to Kaasi. Rolls that one.
Jimenez bomb sets to Cali, and Cali gets the point off the hands of Team Mabini. Bongalon back sets to Mendoza. Kaasi chases that ball. Recabar for the free ball. Bongalon to Viterbo, off speed attack. Jimenez punches that one. Bongalon back sets to Mendoza. Drop ball, andun si Recabar. Jimenez to Kaasi, ginawa ng paraan. Manzano to Viterbo is blocked. Outside point for Team Mabini.
Serving. Cali. Bongalon para kay Damasco. Blocked. Andun si Mendoza. Bongalon for free ball. Jimenez ka sa first ball. But on a 1-2, Damasco. Jimenez.
Bongalon back sets to Mendoza, and she gets that point for Team Mabini.
Deadlock at 5. Mendoza to Kali. Good ball. Bongalon sa open block. Self-cover. Kaasi joust. Won by Manzano. Kaasi, and she is blocked by Manzano.
Mendoza now serving. Jimenez bomb sets to Kaasi. Ginawa ng paraan. Damasco. Andun si Freda. Jimenez para sa free ball. Bongalon sets it to Damasco. Gets through the block and gets the point. Anda will call for time.
You're still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. Nasa set 2 na po tayo ng ating last game for Women's Division. It is Team Mabini and Team Anda. If you've just tuned in, nanalo po ang Team Mabini kaninang first set. Ngayon po ay they are up by 4.
Mendoza. Jimenez bump sets to Kaasi. Damasco is there. Bongalon chases the ball. Mendoza sa pipe. Jimenez. Bongalon. Attack error there for Team Mabini. Service ace there for Team Anda.
Baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng Team Mabini. Kaasi. Bongalon sa 4. Attack error. And just like that, we are now tied at 9. Mabini will call for time. After this women's division, ang susunod po na laro dito ay Game 1 ng men's division. It is Team Infanta and Team Mga Taram.
Kaasi. Bongalon sends it to Damasco. Deflected. Damasco pushes that one. Jimenez bomb sets to Caitlin. Good ball. Jimenez to Caitlin. Good ball. Damasco. And Damasco gets that point for Team Mabini.
Good response here ng Team Bini after that timeout. Custudio to Caitlin. And a quick side out. Tied again at 10.
Ano yan? Dala ng mga tarong. Camero. Bongalon sets it to Manzano. That won't go through. Point for Team Handa. And a service.
And a service ace for player number 16, Camero. Palitan lang tayo dito ng puntos sa second set. Damasco. And a service ace.
And another service ace for jersey number 7, Damasco. Damasco. Custudio sa gitna para kay Caitlin. That is a lifting violation called on Manzano.
Deadlock at 13. And a service ace for Custudio.
Custudio serving. And another miss receive.
Back-to-back aces for player number 4. Mendoza out, Botas in for Team Mabini. Good reception, Bongalon to Viterbo. Andun si Kaasi. Custudio isa-set para kay Caitlin. Dog to Viterbo and she finds zone 1. Serving, Bongalon. Receive with the libero Custudio to Caitlin. Damasco was there. It's a 4, but that is too strong. Caitlin. Bongalon chases. Custudio sa gitna. Bongalon para kay Viterbo. She is dog to Kaasi, but they're asking for a check pero walang check ball. So that's a point for Team Mabini. Anda still up by 1. And Sigurado na ang kalamangan ng Team Anda. 16 all.
Custodio bounce sets to Cali. And Cali gets the point off the block.
What a smart play by Kali, swiping off the hands of Manzano. Free ball for Team Anda. Custodio para sa gitna. And another point for Team Anda. This is a 2-point lead.
Bungalon sets it to Manzano, drop ball. Cali bump sets to Kaasi, will give a free ball. Bungalon to Manzano, swipe. Cali to Kaasi. Viterbo. Bungalon will give a free ball. Custodio sa gitna para kay Caitlin. No check that is Camero. That is inside for Viterbo. Point for Team Mabini.
And the service ace by Viterbo. Bungalon para sa open. Andun yung libero. Kaasi. Attack error and Team Anda will call for time dahil lamang na po ng isa ang Team Mabini. And nagamit na po ng Team Anda ang kanilang timeout. So, they are on their own now. Kaasi. Damasco. Kali. But that is outside.
Two-point lead here for Team Mabini. Viterbo serving. Cali bomb sets to Camero in the middle, but that won't go through. Another point for Team Mabini. A 3-point cushion here for Team Mabini. Kaasi gets that point. Team Mabini will call for time.
Serving. Kali. Bungalon. Damasco. Drop ball. Camero will set it to Kaasi. And then yung kanilang libero. Damasco. Si Custudio. Camero will set it to Kaasi again. Damasco for the third try. Custudio dumps it. Damasco.
Kaasi, that will go straight outside. Point for Team Mabini. Now on the service zone is jersey number 20, Botas. Custudio sets it to Kaasi. Bungalan chases that one.
Andun si Kali. Custudio to Kaasi, but attack error.
Botas. Jimenez sets it to Kaazi. Damasco ginawa ng paraan, but that won't go through.
Damasco cross-court attack works
And
for her.
that point leads Team Mabini to a match point.
Serving for the match, Manzano. Received by Kali. Jimenez itataas para kay Caitlin. And match point save.
Camero. Manzano ginawa ng paraan. Jimenez to Caitlin. Bungalon to Damasco. Jimenez bomb sets to Caitlin. Bungalon chases that one. Botas from the back. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Bungalon to Damasco. Jimenez to Caitlin. Bungalon to Damasco. Dog.
Long rally. Jimenez isa-set sa open pero free ball for Team Mabini. Bungalon ibibigay para kay Manzano. Dog. Caitlin. Andun yung libero. Bungalon isa-set para kay Damasco. Jimenez will send it over. Bungalon to Manzano, and she ends the match in 2 straight sets. Congratulations to Team Mabini for winning this game. Huwag po kayong aalis dahil maya-maya lamang po ay mag-uumpisa na ang men's division.
concludes our last game here in the women's division in the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. So nakita naman natin mula sa Municipality of Mabini na naging maganda ang kanilang floor defense all throughout this conference, and kita naman natin ang effort ng buong team and teamwork sa loob ng court from the first set up until the second set. While the Municipality of Anda naman, kahit hindi man naging maganda ang kanilang first set, kita naman natin ang kanilang effort sa second set. And also, kita rin natin na gusto nilang makuha and gawin ang best nila sa loob ng court. But in the end, it was Team Mabini who got the victory. So congratulations for our winning team and still congratulations for Municipality of Anda. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 7, Ashley Damasco, having 7 attacks, 3 aces for a total of 10 points. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game since naging maganda yung mga floor defense niya. So, paano niyo maintain yung magandang depensa para lang makapagbigay kayo ng good game sa kalaro ninyo?
Siyempre po, nag-uusap-usap po kami ng mga teammates ko sa loob para po maganda yung kuha namin sa bola. Tapos nakikinig din po kami sa mga coaches, sa mga sinasabi po ng coaches.
Yes, very important rin kasi yun na dapat nakikinig rin tayo sa mga coaching staff. And ano naman din yung pakiramdam na unti-unti nyo nang inaangat yung municipality ninyo and giving pride to your respective municipality?
Siyempre po, sobrang saya po namin kasi unti-unti na po kami umaangat sa taas. Yun na po. Sobrang saya po namin.
So, sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shout out?
Siyempre, salamat po sa mayor namin and sa mga coaches po. Tapos, shoutout po sa mga nanonood, sa mga sumusuporta po sa Mabini. And shoutout po sa family ko, tapos sa mga teammates ko po.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this.
Shoutout po sa nanay ko na nanonood.
Shoutout sa mama ko dyan, shoutout sa bebe ko dyan.
Shoutout po sa mama ko nandito, sa pamilya ko sa bahay, kila Nico, sa mga tropa ko. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Wala akong signal.
Shoutout sa mga pinsan ko dyan.
Di, wait lang, pauwi na ako. Wait mo ako na sa bahay. Thank you so much. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our 5 matches in the women's division. So nakita naman natin na naging all out and also binigay nila ang lahat sa loob ng court. Kaya naman, just stay here in our live stream because susunod na ang ating 5 games in the men's division. Again, this is Samantha Di Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.